Rivers wind the valleys, ice cold. Hot springs melt the stress away. Traverse the ledge high, emotions show. Nature's unforgiving, beautiful at first sight. Kaleidoscope of colors, causing a visual trance. Emotions in the wind, leaves swaying like a hypnotic dance. Green rugged sea, views distract, it brings peace. That moment in time, I get relief. We live, we laugh, we breathe, but guilt still follows like a winding stream behind new memories. I see her smiling, I search to find, but that truth cuts like sharp rocks cutting on skin. Every step feels like a theft. We walk the forest tracks, we climb the mountain peaks. We saw beauty spill from fall, memories carved like water through stone. Memories remember, new memories made, but guilt kicks in. Am I leaving her behind? I don't wanna leave her behind. Water keeps moving downhill, those stones remember the weight. What the river carries forward is never fully left behind. Seasons turn without asking, green grows over old ground. Roots still hold what's buried deep beneath the shifting ground. The path runs on along the ridge, wind pulling me ahead. Every step finds new ground, every echo treads what's dead. The river bends and disappears, not gone, just out of sight. The valley holds a memory of water passing light. Moving forward feels like betrayal. We walk the forest tracks, we climb the mountain peaks. We saw beauty spill from fall, memories carved like water through stone. Memories remembered, new memories made, but guilt kicks in. Am I leaving her behind? I don't wanna leave her behind. You taught me the love of nature, I pass it down the line. You shared it with us both, in our memories rewinds. Nature's unforgiving, I don't wanna leave her behind. Guilt consumes my view, grief causing chaos like rapids flow. Beautiful the mountains hold memories, happy and painful on show. Guilt and grief blinded by happy thoughts as the river talks through the rough terrain. Am I leaving her behind? Breaking branches in my mind, floating leaves down streams I left behind. Entranced in nature's view, unforgiving yet beautiful. Oh, how much I'd give to be with you. Guilt on show in nature's glow, it pulls you down the river's undertow. We rise again, we rise again. I'm not sure, am I letting go? moving. We walked the forest tracks, we climbed the mountain peaks. We saw beauty spill from fall.